Boost research efficiency with Google Scholar. Hello everyone, and welcome back to your channel Intuito4U. In Intuito4U, your gateway to top-notch experts in writing, tutoring, and data analysis. We connect you with top professionals who deliver creative content, clear tutoring, and smart data insights. Need compelling articles or insightful reports? We've got you covered. Subscribe now and unlock your potential where expertise meets opportunity. Today, we're going to dive deep into how you can boost research efficiency with Google Scholar. Whether you're a student, researcher, or professional, Google Scholar can revolutionize the way you access academic content. Let's explore how. In today's world, research often means sifting through countless journals, articles, and academic papers. The sheer volume of available information can be overwhelming, and finding the right sources quickly is crucial for effective research. This is where Google Scholar comes in. It aggregates scholarly content from diverse disciplines and sources, all in one easy-to-navigate platform. Let's walk through a quick demonstration. Logging in, first, head over to Google Scholar and sign in with your Google account. This step is essential as it links your alerts and personalizes your experience. Conducting a search, type in your research topic, for example, machine learning and application, and hit enter. You'll see a list of relevant scholarly articles. Refining your results, use the filters on the left side to adjust the time frame, select specific authors, or even sort by relevance versus date. This helps you focus on the most current and authoritative sources. Setting up alerts, click on the Create Alert button. Enter your chosen keywords, set the frequency of updates, daily, weekly, etc., and confirm. From now on, any new content matching your criteria will be sent straight to your inbox. Here's how these features can transform your research process. Save time. Instead of manually searching for new publications, alerts do the heavy lifting for you. Stay updated. With automatic updates, you're always in the loop about the latest findings and emerging trends in your field. Enhance credibility. By accessing highly cited and peer-reviewed sources, you can build a more credible and well-supported body of work. Organize research. Use the citation features to manage your sources, making it easier to compile. In summary, Google Scholar is more than just a search engine. It's a comprehensive research assistant that helps you efficiently navigate the ever-growing landscape of academic knowledge. By using advanced search filters, citation tools, and custom alerts, you can significantly streamline your research workflow. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more amazing content like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.